guys, here, so we're gonna see how my Valentine's Day.
Wait, where are we?
At the park.
How would they
I'm
know?
trying to get straight to the video because filming and she'll make you a quick off.
Okay, cool.
Let's see.
All right.
Oh.
Happy Valentine's Day. Did you know that this is what it looked like?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
First up.
Let's see. What are you gonna unbox first?
Yeah.
No, I'm just messing with you.
So what did I get?
What did you get?
I got
Be careful, cause it's windy out here. See,
this thing.
a little stuffy.
Yeah.
And stuff is falling out.
Yeah, and I got money.
Money. Let's see. I can't see inside. Ooh.
I can't see y'all guys. It's really windy out
Ooh.
here.
I thought something fell. Nothing fell. Nope.
Now we got this one. Let's see.
Oh no, we gotta put the bear back in there first so your money doesn't blow away.
Yeah, 'cause it's so windy right now.
She doesn't like stuffies, but everyone has to have at least one stuffy for Valentine's Day.
Yeah. I got. What's this? Oh, I've seen this before.
Ooh, delicious.
And we got these Hershey's.
Hershey's Kisses.
We got the peppermint patties.
Peppermint patties.
No, we got some again. A Kinder Egg.
A Kinder Egg.
Now let's see what else I got in this one. I got this thing. Oh, I actually always wanted this. It's a little eyebrow. Which has no clue what this
What is it?
It's like those things. Have you ever seen those skincare things with this?
No.
Yeah, I actually, that's just I wanted this.
Yes.
Yeah, because I only bought it because a famous skincare brand is made like this. What?
Oh.
That's bad?
No.
No, it's like, yeah. We got this.
Love you very much.
Some bracelets.
Okay.
We got some sanitizers.
Okay. I'll put this so they don't blow away.
Now, let's see what's in here. Let's see that. We also got the crumble cookie thing.
Ooh.
What kind is it? The like bath stuff?
Yeah, it's just body wash.
We got some sanitizer.
She loves sanitizer. Here, I'm gonna go this way because I don't want to see the boulders.
We got this hand cream.
Ooh.
We got a balloon that's starting to fall apart.
It's okay. It made it to Valentine's Day.
Yeah. We got wait, what is this? Oh,
It's cotton candy perfume.
yeah. We got these things.
Makeup remover.
Oh,
Vitamin
makeup
C
remover.
wipes. Yeah.
I got a card.
That I forgot to write in. Dang it, I forgot about the card. But hey, it's still a card.
Yeah, so it says cute as all get out. Enjoy your fun and fabulous self today. Have Valentine's Day.
Alrighty.
I have to read the
sign it.
I have to read the facts because I don't know why she like this, but like, yeah. We got this foot cream.
So you can take care of them feet.
We got acne patches.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna blow away. That acne patch one. There you go.
We got some of these face masks.
Alright.
We got some hand wipes.
Mm-hmm. She is all about cleanliness, guys.
We got this. What is it?
It's the matching set, the crumble cookie. It's like hand soap. Hands. Yeah, it's hand soap.
We got these bath bombs. Here. We got some cotton candy.
Alright.
We got chocolate rose.
Mm-hmm.
We got this.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, that's the reason why we brought it.
I don't even know what that is.
I thought it was like gummy thingies. We got
A cookie kit.
Yeah. We got some gummies. We got some regular ones and these Valentines. We got some more hermit patties.
She loves peppermint patties.
Yeah. I got some sour spray. I got. Oh yeah, that's the thing I always ask her for was on the store. The foam.
Candy foam.
I got some Skittles.
Okay.
Pens. Sweethearts. Yeah, I'm not say without these.
Yeah, that's unheard of.
Some Sour Patch Kids Hearts.
Mm-hmm.
We got some chocolates. Yeah, I want without these.
Exactly. Even though she doesn't like them.
We got these. Like we always get these.
Always. That's a tradition.
And last but not least, we got some Sweethearts.
Sweethearts.
And now next video we're gonna be opening up some more stuff. Anyways, bye y'all, and thanks Missy for the stuff. And
oh, she said thank you. She never says thank you.
Yeah, and bye guys.
I got this on video. Bye guys.